Today is Monday, November 11th, 2024, and these are Peppa's puppies at 8 weeks old, and Rosie's puppies at 7 weeks old, and we've had a busy morning, huh? Some of them have already gone home. Yes. So let's see. This is Peppa's orange collar, and his name is Scout. Say hi, Scout. Hi, Scout. And then this is Rosie's blue collar, and his name is Bo. Say hi, Bo. And then this is Rosie's Peaches. Hi, kitty girl. And then this is Peppa's green collar boy. He still hasn't found his family yet. And this is Rosie's yellow collar boy. He still hasn't found his family yet either. Oh, yeah. So, we are using our potty patch and eating and drinking and playing. Socializing by tackling our brothers and sisters and cousins. Yes. Let's see. This is Miss Luna. Peppa Luna. Huh. She is growing very well. She was our smallest one in Peppa's litter. But she's doing so good. Ouch! And this is Fozzie. It's Rosie's fawn boy with the camo collar. He has not found his family either, but he has definitely got his teeth in. Huh? Don't you, Fozzie? He's just so fuzzy. It reminds me of a Fozzie. And then this is Rosie's red collar boy, Glenn. Say hi, Glenn. You're such a sweetie, huh? Yes. Goodness. What a passel of pugs. Except you're a grumble, aren't you? Formal term for a group of pugs is a grumble of pugs. Can't imagine why you guys don't grumble, do you? Yeah? Scout, do not fall on your sisters. No. No, we don't do that. So we missed Rosie's update Friday. So since everyone's joined together, we're doing their update today. And then we'll do another update this Friday. So this litter gets double attention. Huh. Yeah. You look like a little shark, huh? You getting sleepy? Is it nap time? Yes. You keep biting on my dress. Yes, you have all these toys in here. Come here, look at this one. This one has got flaps. No, huh? No. You need all the attention. Hey, Bo. Hi, Scout. Hey, Scout. Hey, Peach. I know. Everybody needs some attention, huh? Hi, Luna. Hi, Peaches. You're just as close to me as you can get. Huh? You are such a cuddler. Then you roll off. Huh? Mm-hmm. What? Do you need to say something? So Rosie's puppies are going to the vet tomorrow for their first shot and checkup. And then they'll go home on Friday. Huh. Yes. I know. We're so excited. Huh. Hey, Bo. Where's your toys? Are you waving hi? You're waving hi. Hi, Glenn. You're really bouncy. Huh? Fuzzy. No toes. No toes. Those keepers hurt. Hmm. Look at you. I have buried my toes under 3 toys, and you were still trying to get to them. Huh? Why? Hmm? He's going. You look like a Sylvester to me. Are you Sylvester? With that one white paw? No fingers. No fingers. Hi, Luna. Hi. Glenn, you have got some energy today, huh? Yes, you do. Okay. Can't wave goodbye to your families? Okay, we'll see you on Friday.